The National Weather Service issues watch warnings and advisory for hazardous weather. So your watch typically comes out first, several days in advance. That means we're watching something that could cause a threat to life and property. And so that's really kind of your pay attention, get your plan of action together. And then a warning comes out when that threat is occurring, imminent, or very likely to occur. And then your advisory is just kind of your lower level threat. So if you take some simple precautions, you shall be fine. Just kind of a significant inconvenience you should know about, but not overly hazardous. So for winter storms, we issue winter storm watches. Typically that winter storm watch comes out in advance, several days. That means you should start paying attention to the weather forecasts, be ready to take action, change your travel plans into the mountains if necessary. For the foothills, that typically means a significant accumulation of snow and the potential for gusty winds. And then our winter storm warning comes out as the storm gets closer, the hazard is likely to occur or imminent. And that should be you're taking those actions now. You're changing your travel plans. You have extra supplies in case of power outages or roads that you can't get through. So those are the two kind of winter storm products we issue. So we issue several different flood products. We have your aerial flood watches and warnings. That means, kind of a large area is expected to flood. You can see small stream flooding, roadway flooding, your typical spots that might get flooded from heavy rain. And then we issue flash flood warnings. Those are for recent burn scars for the potential for debris flows. So typically that is caused by thunderstorms or really short duration, heavy intensity rainfall. So those systems, you can get aerial flooding usually from an atmospheric river, and typically you get your flash flooding on debris flows from thunderstorms or very, very heavy rainfall. We're always looking at the forecast and updating as necessary. Don't just check the forecast once a week and assume it's going to be the same 5 days from now. We will hone in those forecasts as we get closer to a storm. So just, make sure you're checking the forecast once or twice a day, especially if you've got plans, and just always be prepared.